Hey there, fellow social media enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your online life easier and more private. Today, we're diving into how to turn likes off on Facebook, 2025. With privacy becoming a bigger concern than ever, turning off likes can help you focus on genuine interactions without the pressure of public counts. Whether you're trying to reduce distractions or protect your content, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app or website, as features might have updated by 2025. Start by opening the Facebook app on your smartphone or logging into the website on your computer. Once you're in, head to the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines in the top right corner for mobile users, or the drop-down in the top right for desktop. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is your gateway to customizing your experience. From there, select Settings. Now, look for the Privacy section, which should be one of the first options. In 2025, Facebook has made it simpler to manage interactions, so find and tap on Audience and Visibility, or something similar. It might be labeled as Post Interactions in the updated interface. Here's where the magic happens. Under Posts, you'll see an option for Likes and Reactions. Toggle the switch to turn off likes for your posts. You might also find settings to hide like counts from your profile or feed. Don't forget to save your changes. Facebook will prompt you to confirm. If you're turning this off for specific posts, go to your post, click the three dots, and select Edit Post Settings to adjust visibility there. And just like that, you've successfully turned off likes. This feature is super handy for maintaining a more private or professional presence online. Remember, social media is all about what works for you, so experiment and see how it feels. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, irony intended, and subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.